This is video 1 for RMA 18-0134 Neeltron, and we received 2 boards. The failure is unknown. The 2 boards are the VRCL1 serial number 102121 and the 4100 board, it's the 102117. Again, there's no description on the nature of the failure. However, we notice that the 2 boards are modified, and if they are modified, they are not going to respond as expected. On the 4100 board, R11 is installed when it's supposed to be omitted, and R31, the gain of the error amplifier, has been changed. On the VRCL1 board, resistors R1, resistors R4, and resistors R5 are changed, and resistors R1 and R4 are the gain of the current signal error amplifier. So with that, we verified in open loop that the 4100 board in effect changed its sig high command. And then now what we have here is the 2 boards put together, and Tony has the setup ready so that we have on test point 1 1 volt. Now we can go ahead and move that probe from test point 1 to test point 2. And when the board is configured, the way that we provide this board to Neeltron is on TP2, the range has to change from the low end of the rail, 0.16, 0.15 volts, which is there, all the way up to 11 volts, depending on what the rail is, 10, 11. Now, with this setup, if Tony goes to the entire potentiometer, he's only able to get to 5.27. The board is not offering the control, and again, it's not because the board is not responding, it's not working well, it's responding the way that it was changed. Last thing I appreciate if you can do, Tony, is can you try changing the span and bias to verify that no matter what you do with them, you're never going to go past 5.27?
Yeah.
Alright, so this, and there's the control. Now, what we're going to do with this 2 same boards is we're going to install temporarily the original values, and we're going to run this test and determine whether these boards, as of today, will pass the original test production. Again, we were not informed these boards were modified, and obviously these boards should have been not modified and just reported as faulty, and then we will look at them. Okay, this is the end of the first video.